Hey there, welcome to CoreCrate, the platform that makes accessing and managing your purchase Spokesly data simple and stress-free. To access your purchased contact list, just keep an eye on your inbox. You'll receive an email from our fulfillment team with a registration link. Click on Sign Up to download. It'll take you right to the sign-up page on our website. Once you're on the sign-up page, your email will already be filled in. Just enter your name, set your password, confirm it, and click Sign Up. That's it. You're in. Signing in takes you straight to your dashboard, where your purchase lists are displayed. You can also view the specific criteria for your data request. Just click the icon under Target Specs to see details such as industry, company size, location, and other filters you selected. Simply click the Download button next to the list and the file will be saved straight to your system. As an added benefit, you can refresh your data every 90 days. When it's time, you'll see an Update button next to the list. Click it to request your refresh. It's that easy. While you're here, just a heads up on your next order, you can avail a 30% discount, a little something to help you get even more value from CoreCrate. It's a great way to continue your journey with us. If you're looking to integrate data via API, you can request it directly through the dashboard. Once submitted, our business development team will get in touch to help you move forward. Looking for a fresh targeted data set? Head over to the New Data Requirements section from your dashboard menu. This is where you can request customized data based on your unique marketing or outreach needs. Fill out the form with key details such as industry, job title, and geography, then click Submit Request. The more specific you are, the better we can match your data needs. Once submitted, your account manager will follow up with you to coordinate the next steps. When it's ready, you'll be notified via email. Just sign into your account and download it directly from your dashboard. Looking to improve your existing data? Head over to the Data Enrichment section in the menu. Let us know how many contacts you want updated, add a brief note about what you're looking for, and upload the file you want enriched. Once you hit Submit, we'll take it from there. Once your purchase is complete, your enriched data will appear right in your dashboard, ready to download and use. If you're planning to run email marketing campaigns, you can head over to Reach Engine. It's easily accessible from your CoreCrate dashboard. Just submit a campaign request and the team will help you get started with your outreach. Need help? Visit our support center, tap Submit a Request, and fill out the form. Our support team is quick, reliable, and always just a click away. Whether you have a simple question or a more complex issue, we're here to assist you every step of the way. If you know someone who could benefit from our data service, why keep it to yourself? Just open the Refer and Earn section, fill in a few quick details, and submit the form. For every successful referral, you'll earn free credits, our way of saying thanks for spreading the word. Need to make a quick change to your login details? Simply update the information you need, then click Update and Save Changes to keep everything current and tailored to you. You can change your password. Just head over to the Security tab, enter your current password, set a new one, confirm it, and hit Save. Thanks for choosing Spokesly. We're excited to be part of your data journey.